how to get rid of the black lines in VLC Media Player. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the black lines on VLC Media Player. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta simply open the video that you wish to edit. So I'm gonna click on this video, open with VLC Media Player. And now you can see that this video has some black lines on both of the sides. So what you're gonna do is simply click on A, and it will basically change the aspect ratio of the video. So when you press on A, it will change the aspect ratio. Like you can see, it's 4:3 right now. Keep on pressing A till you get rid of the black lines. Now press on A again, and now you can see that I got rid of the black lines that were on the sides, but not the ones that are on the top and bottom. Like you can see, there's still some black stripes. So what you're going to do is double click on the video, and now you can see there's still some black lines at the top and bottom. To get rid of it, simply click on A again, and then click on A again till you get rid of the lines. Keep on pressing A in order to change the aspect ratio. And now you can see that I have completely gotten rid of the black lines. So that is basically how you can get rid of the black lines on VLC Media Player and enjoy watching the movie or any video without the black lines. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.